Hello guys, today I'm going to show you video on how to make WordPress website in just 5 minutes. You can also make website within just 5 minutes in WordPress. First of all, we install WordPress in our hosting. After installing WordPress in our hosting, by default you can see like this. Now let's go to dashboard and let's go to appearance and install the new themes. Add theme, and here are all the list of the themes that you can use from the wordpress.org. You can choose the theme according to your choice and your service. For example, I am going to create a WordPress website using Astra theme. I am going to install Astra. Here it is installing now. After installation, let's click on activate. Now Astra has been activated. Now let's get started with starter template. Click on this button and it will activate all the plugins that required for installing starter template. After activating, you can see AI website builder and classic template. If you like to build website using AI, you can choose this option. I am going to use a starter template. Here are block editor and Elementor option. If you like Elementor, you can choose Elementor. I am going to select block editor. Using block editor, it is very fast, and page speed in Google will be also very good. It will be above 80 to 90 above. Here are the list of the starter templates. You can choose according to your design preference and your services. I am going to use this WordPress developer portfolio. Here you can select the site logo, upload the site logo and choose the font family that you like to select, and choose the color branding option that you like and continue. And here select all the options that you like to install. Currently I am not selecting anyone, continuing it. After filling up all this, I am going to submit my website. Now it is being installing all the required plugins and also downloading all the demo content. It will take few minutes. After waiting few minutes, it is about to complete. Yeah, it has been completed. Now let's view our website by clicking this button. Here you can see the design has been imported. Now let's go to back in and edit this home page. Visit the dashboard, and here are the list of the option, and go to pages, and here are the list of pages that are available in home page menu. All the pages are available in this page menu, and you can remove this sample because we don't need. Now let's edit the home page content by clicking on edit in home page, and here we can update all the text according to your details. For example, I am going to add my name site webs. Here you can update all the content and images according to your preference. Here in sidebar you can change the image, and here below you can also change the services, text, icon. You can click on that option, and you can also duplicate it and update, add if you want to add similar design. and also you can duplicate this whole section by clicking whole container. If you can't find container, you can see in this list, you can see the container. You need to select the container and click on that option and duplicate it. You can add multiple services like that. Similarly, in this section you can change the text and also add the video from the sidebar option. This is how you create a WordPress website using a starter template from the existing WordPress 10 in wordpress.org. Now let's check how to install the plugin. uh, First of all, let's go to plugin, install plugins, and click on add plugin. After clicking add plugin, search the plugin that you would like to install. Suppose I am installing WooCommerce. I am just going to show how to install the plugin. Now we can see WooCommerce. Click on install now and you will see activate button and click activated. You can also manually upload plugin files by choosing files here and install it. Similar to that, we can also upload theme. We can upload our custom theme. Click on upload theme, choose file, and after that install now button. That's how we install WordPress and build site within 5 minutes. Thank you for watching my video. In future I am going to create more videos on WordPress. I am going to create video about WordPress introduction and how to make WordPress themes, plugins, customizing, everything that I have been learning since I have been working about more than 10 years. Please add a comment if you want me to make a video about certain topics that you would like to learn about WordPress. You can also hire us for all the WordPress services. You can visit our link given below in description and check our website. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.